And then just let your arms flail. Just swim in energy. It's all around you. Swim in light. In front of you, in back of you, to the left, to the right. Above you, the universe, and below you, our beautiful Mother Earth. Just swimming in light, creating a beautiful auric field around you, protective energy. Starting to feel the life force energy within us, the chi. Deep breaths and just close your eyes and slow the movement down. We call this moving through honey. Just slow that movement down. Become aware of your body,